Having a secure website that uses WordPress software begins with understanding the types of attacks and vulnerabilities that are common on the internet.
And if you're just tuning in and you missed the other lessons, check out our full playlist here. Now that you have hopefully a good grasp of common threats, take the resources and advice from this course to harden your WordPress software and secure the database. In this way, you can be confident you are doing your best to protect your investment.
And when possible, work with a website professional for regular security through a website care or maintenance plan.
Security is an ongoing effort, so stay up to date on news from the WordPress community, blogs, plugins, and theme authors.
Building a WordPress website is ultimately a collaboration with your website developer or your in-house website design team. Inevitably, you may encounter scenarios that could compromise the security of your website. Be clear about your desire for security to be a priority so you can have a common goal with your staff or contractors.
All in all, work to strike the right balance between securing the website and still making it a good experience for visitors.
As the landscape of cybersecurity changes, be encouraged that all you can do is stay educated and adjust as vulnerabilities emerge. If you make security a priority for your website, you'll be doing your part to make the internet a safer place.